Joining me now is Jeffrey Rosen, President and CEO of the National Constitution Center and Professor of Law at George Washington University Law School. He is the author of the forthcoming book, The Pursuit of Happiness: How Classical Writers on Virtue Inspired the Lives of the Founders and Defined America. And Mary McCord, former acting Assistant Attorney General for National Security, MSNBC legal analyst, and co-host of the MSNBC podcast, Prosecuting Donald Trump. Thank you both for being here. I normally would do ladies first, and Happy New Year to both of you, but I'm going to actually do this in reverse and start with you, Jeffrey Rosen, and get your level of confidence that the Supreme Court of the United States cannot rule that a president is immune from prosecution and that the founders somehow divined every member of Congress, every member of the United States Senate and House to be officers of the United States, but not the president.
So on the first question, I am pretty confident that the founders did not expect the president to be a king. And the idea that the Supreme Court would induce sweeping immunity for all presidential acts is not convincing. And therefore, I think Jack Smith will get a good result on that case. The second case is much harder. And the question of what the Supreme Court will do involves a series of questions. First, what's an insurrection? Second, is this part of the 14th Amendment that bars people who committed insurrections from holding office self-executing? Third, is this a political question the court should avoid? Basically, it's going to force the originalist justices to confront the tension between the fact that the text seems to disqualify President Trump and then pragmatic considerations like them not wanting 50 states to reach different decisions for their own ballots. So it just is going to be the most momentous case since Bush v. Gore, and it will have huge implications for the election, and there's no easy way for the Supreme Court to duck it.